Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Now as LJOLUSEsi. So I was cleaning, lost a nail, so I put a plaster on it so you don't have to see my ugly nail. Anyway, update on x-ray and bloods. So I went to the hospital, had an x-ray just before 4, then went and had my bloods taken. And about 25 past 6, I got a text on my phone saying that the x-ray and the bloods came back abnormal. If you're not feeling well, go to A&E, or you can wait for the morning and speak to the doctor. So I spoke to a doctor and he basically said to me that they could see that there was inflammation of my right lung, and also the bloods come back. He said that the D-dimmer was 877. I don't know what D-dimmer is, but it's supposed to be no more than 100 and something, and mine is 877, so I could have had a blood clot. So anyway, he said to me, look, we're only taking emergency situations. He goes, can you come to us? I said, yeah. So anyway, I went there at 4, just before 4, and I was called in. And all they did basically was take my blood pressure, my temperature, and whatnot, and they're treating me for pneumonia. So they've given me a course of antibiotics, which I'm going to take. So, you know what I mean, I'm not sure what's going on. I could have a blood clot or it could be pneumonia. So, anyway, I'm on these antibiotics. She said if I get any worse, then obviously call them. And then I think from 6 weeks I'm going to be having another x-ray to see my lung. So that is the current situation, people. But anyway, enough about that. You know Wendy, she doesn't make videos, but she comments, well, she's subscribed to a lot of views. She won my giveaway, and she sent me something back, and then I'd send her something, and then she'd send me something back, and we talk all the time, you know, on WhatsApp on a daily. We talk from the morning up until it can be 3 o'clock in the morning. Love the woman so much. But anyway, as you know, the current situation I'm in with, you know, my husband passing away. The anniversary will be the 8th of April. May is his birthday, June's my birthday. So Wendy had said to me, oh, what can I get you for your birthday, kind of thing. And I said to her, look, I'm not celebrating because it's going to be my 40th. It would be my husband's 50th, so we were going to have a joint birthday. So I don't, do you know what I mean? I'm not celebrating. There's nothing to celebrate, get what I'm saying? So anyway, Wendy said, okay then, I'm going to send you something early. Told her not to, but Wendy being Wendy. Anyway, so she sent me 2 cards to a lovely friend with love. I'm not going to read what's inside, but this is my birthday card. So my birthday come early. Love the card. And then she also sent me thank you very much card. Again, I'm not going to read what's inside because it is for my eyes only. Right, in the box I have this. Oops. I was saying that I needed to get pots for my acrylics. So look, she sent me these pots. So she sent me some acrylics. She mixed up some acrylics for me, so I'm going to put them inside them. Love them that get the pink. Oh God. She sent me, bless her heart, some rings for my flexi finger, which I've called Gem. Oh, maybe that one's upside down. That's it. So that's them. How beautiful are they? Look, the crown. And they're like flowers. So pretty. I love them. So they will look very cute on Gem. Then she also got me this pink spider gel, which is, oh gosh, look, it's on me now. It's not very clever. She's very beautiful. I love a lot. And she also got me some stamping plates from Beauty Big Bang. God, there. So it's a Christmas one, BBB009. Love the gingerbread men, fireworks and stars, and I think it's cute. Then this one, XL060. This one's really beautiful. I love the elephants and I love all the Egyptian at the bottom. I love this. Oh, there's like a zebra print there. Never noticed that. And then also this XL059. Just sort of like a rainy day kind of thing. Very, very cute. Remove those. And then she also, bless her heart. I was saying to her about my memory on my phone, and she sent me a bloody SD card, didn't she? I am so happy about that. So after this video, this will definitely be going in my phone in a Beatles box. I have a shit ton of acrylics. Bless her. I tell you, I love her so much. Which, you know, we're so alike. It's unbelievable. Anyway, so I mean, you're not going to see the actual beauty of it until I swatch it, but I'll do a separate video on that. And this gorgeous one, and then another pinky one, and then this. This gorgeous gold, and it's not gold, yeah it is gold. There's some yellow and some pink in there, and an orange one that has some yellow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's not it, look. She sent me so many. Take this out of the bag. There's this one. I can't wait to swatch this one. She sent me so much. Oh my god. Then we have this beautiful blue and pink. I'm so excited to swatch these. And there's a gold, and I think that's blue. and a green. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. And then this one, gorgeous. And this one I can't wait to swatch. Look at that, bloody gorgeous. So yes, I will definitely be doing a swatch video on those beauties. Just wipe down my desk. Okay, then, oh, these are so gorgeous. So we have these. I can't wait to be sticking these on my nails, like in these clusters as well. They are beautiful. And these pink ones, I love them so much. And then these ones, look, they look like half of a ring. And then it's got like that, I don't know what they call that, like opal, yeah. Very, very beautiful. Let me pop them back in there so I don't lose them. And then also she sent me some glow in the dark mix. Glittery pink. I'm so excited to swatch these, you know that. I can't, oh gosh, I can't wait. And then she sent me some of her liquid silver from Glitter Bells. I've got liquid gold from Glitter Bells that Jared sent me. Oh gosh, look at that. It is stunning. And then, for my birthday, I tell you, I was like, are you crazy? You are crazy. Gucci guilty. Because she said to me, oh, asking me about perfumes. Oh, have you smelt it? I was like, no, I haven't. I tell you, this is, I'm gonna blind you, sorry. This is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. And then it comes with like a what do you call it? Like a rolly. It has like a ball in it. So you sort of like rub it on your wrist. Love it so much. But that's not all. That's not all. So, I do my videos on my coffee table because I'm bougie. I'm so bougie, yeah. I do it on my coffee table because I don't have a desk. So what did Wendy do? Yes, you guessed it. She bought me a bloody desk. I was shocked. This big, I'll tell you, it was a massive box. When I come back from the doctor's, it was outside my house. It was huge. It was so heavy that I had to put it on my foot to drag it into the house. And I was like, oh my God, what the hell is it? She wouldn't tell me. So anyway, I ended up opening it and nearly had a heart attack. Quite literally, I nearly had a heart attack. I couldn't believe it. So anyway, because I'm not feeling too great and I get quite out of breath, I said, oh, you know what, I'll leave it until I'm feeling okay. But probably like half an hour later, I was there putting it together. And then I started struggling with the drawers and the door. So then her husband was sort of taking pictures because she'd got one for her daughter for her birthday, which is also in June. So he's taking pictures and we're sort of comparing, and anyway, in the end, her husband said, no, you need to screw that in. So I did that and I had to unscrew the other. It was just headache. It was stressing me out. Anyway, I got there in the end, Thank God. So now I have myself, as you can see, this beautiful, I mean, you're only going to get to see that, but I tell you, I love it so much. I'm so happy that I actually have somewhere to do my nails properly rather than on a coffee table. So Wendy, I've thanked you enough already, but I honestly can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. I'm so blessed to have you in my life, and I love you so much. And I absolutely love everything, even though I've already spoken to you and told you this, but I just wanted to say it again from the bottom of my heart. Just thank you's not enough. Thank you's not enough. But I am absolutely overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. But yeah. So I'm going to go now. I hope you all are not going out. Hope you and your families are staying safe. This virus is just, yeah, I won't say too much. But anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Gina, for always coming to check on me on Instagram. You're the sweetest thing ever. I really appreciate that. It's nice to know that there are lovely people out there that genuinely care. Do you know what I mean? Because they are hard to come by. Anyway, my darlings, I am off. I hope you enjoyed this video. I absolutely loved it. I loved it. But yeah, my next video will be swatches of all my beautiful acrylics that I've got, and then I will be putting them in their pot. So anyway, take care, lots of love, please stay safe, and you will see me in my next video. Mwah! Big kisses to you all. Bye.